Hello everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome. Today I will be showing you how to make a nice, I'm hoping it'll look good, but a nice and pretty flower crown. I want to try making this and I want to try making it like my own way, excuse me, words. So we'll see what happens. So here we go. Okay, so now I'm going to start to try and make the crown. I'm going to use this floral wire I picked up at the dollar store. I'm thinking this should work well. And then I have a whole bunch of fake flowers and some leaves and stuff. And I'm hoping that it'll look good. I don't know. I mean, I didn't really like sketch out anything. I'm kind of just gonna wing it. And I guess maybe that's my #1 problem. So if this project doesn't go well because I winged it, you know not to do that. So I'm basically going to take this wire and I'm going to fit it around my head. So now obviously your head measurements are probably going to be different than mine. So I'm just going to take it and I'm going to straighten a half decent amount out, and then I'm just going to wrap it around my head where I want it to sit. So like you could either maybe wrap it around the very top of your head or like down a little bit. It's really up to you. So that is what I'm going to do now, actually, is just wrap it around my head, see if I like it. And it does bend, so you will be able to get some bending out of it. Okay, I think I have the shape, which is around this big. And then I am going to unravel some more wire. And I'm basically just going to twist it around the circle. So I'm just going to like loop it in and out, and I'm just going to twist it. I just want to make the base stronger. That's my plan, is to make the base stronger. So when I hot glue the flowers, wow, this is looking like one of those straws that you get, like the really twisty ones or whatever that you get in some places, or you could buy. See, I'm just going to make the base stronger. Okay, I basically used the entire wire. This stuff was actually 6 feet long. Oh wow, okay. Well, I used the entire thing and I just wrapped it around itself to make a very nice, in my opinion, pretty sturdy thing that will lay nicely on my head. And again, you can bend it. So like once you figure out the shape, like, like the shape, you can bend it, if you need it like more circular or more like an oval, that part's up to you. You can bend it to make it what you want. And this wire is actually pretty comfortable on my head. That might actually be because I have hair and it's like a cushion, but it's actually pretty nice. So now it's going to be the decorating, which is like probably like the most fun part, but also the most challenging because I didn't have a plan. I keep like putting this on my head. I'm really happy with this. Let's see if it all goes downhill now. So I have this jar of like fake purple and blue flowers, which is what I want to stick with, a nice purple and blue theme. So I might just lay out the flowers slowly and see what I get. Maybe like, I don't know, we'll see. I think I might throw some white flowers in there, not this rose. I'm going to try and keep it the purple and blue, although the only blue flowers I have left are these, so I guess it might be, oh, I have some of these. Okay, all right, I'm looking through my flowers. I have some flowers still left over. These flowers are actually left over from a project I did about a year ago where I made a flower skirt, and the colors I chose were blue and purple. Maybe one day I'll show you the flower skirt I made, but I love blue and purple together. I really do. That's like one of my favorite color combinations. So I'm just letting you know. Okie dokie. Now we have most of the flower colors out, the blue and purple. So I think I'm going to choose over here for the front, I think. Yeah, this as the front and then over here towards the back. I have no idea. I will be back when I figure out some sort of plan. Okay, I'm back. I have a slight plan here, so we're gonna see how this goes. I might add maybe like these towards the back or something like that. I don't know, but I have a slight plan. Just kidding. My plan was altered. Hold on. I don't know if I should use this flower or this flower. Oh, I like that. Oh, 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 oh. Okay, I think I'm actually gonna go with the lighter color flower, just because I think it'll be better, since like this is the only dark and everything's light, so I don't, or does that mean, ah! Oh my gosh, I just figured out another problem. Do I want this maybe towards the side? Like, do I want this like over here? And then you think you have a plan, and then you don't. You know what, I'm gonna go with, no, I'm gonna go with like my original plan, where it was these flowers, like this. That's what I'm doing. That is my plan. That is what I'm going with. Okay, here we go. The scary part, the actual hot gluing of the flowers. Very scary stuff here. Very scary. I think that is good in place. Next is these flowers right here. I'm so scared. I should probably go get another glue stick. I only have the one. Okay, alright. Looking good, looking good. I'm telling you, I'm like so scared that I'm gonna mess it up and then I'm gonna cry. There will be tears. Next was, I don't remember. These? I think it was these. I think it was these like right here. Next we gotta glue on this flower. The pink ones. Or I guess purplish, pinkish kind of like. Okay, and then they're gonna go right next to it. Ooh, nope, nope, nope. Over, 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 over. Very good. Very good. Okay, next is this flower. Kind of like under this a little bit. It's under this flower. Under. There we go. Yes, yes, yay. Awesome, awesome. And last but not least, I think, are these flowers. And these are gonna go right there. So these are going to go under here, I think. Yes, I like that. Okay. Okay. I think it's pretty much done. Oh my god, that looks so cute. Oh my god, that looks amazing! I am so happy with this. Oh my god. Okay, so that's pretty much it. That is how I made the flower crown. I am extremely happy with it. I think it looks so cute. I love it so much. I'm so excited to like add it on to the costume that I have, and I'm just so happy with it. So thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Bye!